ocean forecasting system for blue economic growth in Bangladesh. Bangladesh has own sovereign rights over sea area comparable to its land, which was handled by the Maritime Affairs Unit and inspired by the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, while the effort began with Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman's Territorial Waters and Maritime Zones Act 1974. Here, we intend to create a numerical ocean modeling platform. Professor Dr. Kausar Ahmed is a member secretary of Planning Commission and has extensive experience in ecological modeling. Dr. Azam has a PhD in climate and ocean modeling. Ms. Shaila is pursuing her PhD in ocean forecasting system at the Ocean University of China. Dr. Khalid is a senior lecturer of geoscience at the University of Texas Permian Basin in the United States. Mr. Imtiaz, Mr. Jewel and Ms. Mimi are doing research on ocean dynamics and ecosystems. Bangladesh suffers a lot on its GDP due to cyclones and storm surge, sea level rise, ship accidents, oil spill, harmful algal bloom, marine pollution, coral bleaching, etc. The ocean forecasting system has the potential to turn problems into opportunities by monitoring and forecasting information that will aid in the prevention of oceanic disasters, the improvement of coastal lifestyles, guiding fishermen, implementation of marine policies, support of blue growth in Bangladesh. Firstly, we require a continuous 3D ocean observations from satellites, ships, buoys and other sources to establish the OFS. Secondly, we need a data storage system to store the datasets. Then to forecast ocean variables and to provide various advisory services, we must set up a numerical ocean model with a high-performance computer server. Machine learning, artificial intelligence, and the resultant model can tell about oceanic events in real time and also in forecast mode. Finally, the forecasted result will be visualized using web service and a mobile app. We strongly believe people can be more informed about the upcoming natural disasters, identification of potential fisheries zone, predicting ocean current will aid in transportation and maritime accidents.
SDG goals will be satisfied. Blue economy will contribute more than 4% to the national GDP of Bangladesh.